Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you the website you want to develop on freelancer.com, and I have developed the website completely according to your requirements. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh, and this is my freelancer account. Here you can know about my qualification, skill and information. First of all, you want to a website for dating, and in description which will be very simple, and there the website with profile page will be supportable on desktop and mobile, which mean this website will be responsive. But you just want to design, so no coding, and complete website, but I given you complete design as well as website development, so you are very fast, you can launch this website. Now let's see my entry. সর্বপ্রথম আমি আপনাকে এই ওয়েবসাইটটি দেখাচ্ছি, যা আমি আপনার জন্য সম্পূর্ণভাবে ডিজাইন করেছি। ব্যবহারকারীরা অর্থাৎ ভিজিটররা কিভাবে এই ওয়েবসাইটটি ব্যবহার করবে তার কিছু ডিটেইলস। এবং এখানে সাকসেস স্টোরি, অর্থাৎ কোনো কাপল যদি তার ভালোবাসা পেয়ে থাকে, অর্থাৎ ডেটিং এর জন্য কাপল পেয়ে থাকে, তবে তাদের স্টোরি এখানে লিখতে পারবে, এবং এটির নাম সাকসেস স্টোরি। এবং বাম পাশে ফিচার প্রোফাইল, অর্থাৎ এই ওয়েবসাইটে যারা বেশি অ্যাক্টিভ থাকবে তাদের প্রোফাইলগুলো সর্বপ্রথমে দেখাবে। তাই আমি আশা করি এই সেকশনগুলো হোম পেজে থাকা জরুরি। চলুন এবার প্রোফাইল পেজটি দেখে নেওয়া যাক। অর্থাৎ একজন ইউজার এই ওয়েবসাইটে তার অ্যাকাউন্ট খুললে প্রোফাইল পেজটি যেভাবে তৈরি হবে। And this is my two entries. So I click the web entry. First of all, I want to show you this website that I have developed completely for you. So click the link and copy, then open a new tab and paste and go to this website. And here are some details on how user will be use this website. And here is the success story, that is, if a couple is in love, they can write their story here, and it's called a success story section. And the feature profile on the left side will show the profiles of those who are most active on this website first. So I hope this section are important on this website homepage. Let's take a look at the profile page. So I click my profile. This means that if a user create his account on this website, the profile page will be created. And this is my profile photo and my name MD and last name Alal, and I'm gender for men and seeking woman. So here is my all information on this website. Also, if I want to write something from my bio, I can write in this box. Also, the website has developed about, blogs, profile and story page, with the help of which a user can know the complete information of this website. Now let's check whether the website is responsive on mobile and tablet. To verify, I used the inspector to verify this website. You can see the website is full mobile and tablet supportable, so you don't have to worry about the website being responsive. So now I close the inspector. Also, this website is light speed super fast, so this website will load very fast on any device. Now I am going to Google page test to test how fast this website is. To test this website, and I'm search for Google speed test and now enter, and here is the link. Now I copy the main link and paste it here. Now analyze. So you can see the website is 82% on mobile and desktop for 87% within 100% of Google speed test, and it is very feature which is not found in other websites. Now let's see how can a user create his account. So I open my browser incognito window. Sorry, I click on sign up. To create an account, click on register button, and here is the username, and email, password like 12345678 9. Repeat password 12345678 9, and now register. Now that our account is fully created, let's complete the profile with our information. I'm using your name as a first and last name, and last name, gender man and 𝘧𝘰 woman, 𝚹, and your country is I think UK, and city like demo city, and here your bio information. So I copy the some text for your bio, and now save changes, and this profile has been successful saved. Now change your photo. Okay, yeah, your profile photo is changed, and this way a user can create a profile and using this website. There are also many features including membership in the website, and there is more discussed about the admin panel which I want to show you later. So this was some of my discussion for your website. Hopefully you got a lot of ideas about this website. So make me the winner on your contest so that I can develop this website better for you. Thank you, MD Alal.